Binance Coin, BNB, price prediction for today, August 5, 2021. Crypto Rating presents the comprehensive Binance Coin price prediction and forecast that provide a better insight into the current BNB market situation, future expectations concerning the price action and Binance Coin market capitalization. It is important to the grasp of the projected changes in supply to properly calculate future market capitalization, hence the future price of the cryptocurrency under review. The trading volume data allows to assess the overall strength of the trend, which, in turn, provides means for a more precise BNB price forecast, and predicts the shifts in supply and demand that play a decisive role in price changes in both immediate and distant future. The current tendencies with regard to changes in the average trading volume reveal the increasing demand for BNB coins on the backdrop of the decreasing supply of the corresponding cryptocurrency. To get a better understanding of recent BNB market fluctuations, we introduce the Crypto Volatility Index, CVIX, that clearly depicts the present price dynamics and offers some hints at the possible scenarios of future price action. Crypto rating always proceeds from a range of factors in when analyzing the price of Binance Coin and offering short, medium and long-term price prediction using our proprietary algorithm that successfully incorporates artificial intelligence and specifically deep learning mechanisms. Employing the KX provides a profound insight into the underlying sentiments in the Binance Coin market as it accurately depicts the mood of the participants. Before delving into a more detailed Binance Coin price prediction, we offer a short recap of the history of KX, the mechanism of its calculation, and also a few important tips on how to trade when KX is low. The primary purpose of the VIX is to efficiently measure the expectations of market participants concerning the price movement of the S&P 500 index over the coming 30 days. The amount of fluctuations present in the market at a given time plays a key role in determining the value of KX because it indicates the degree of negative tension among market participants that we simply call the fear, the main driving force behind the volatility. The index also takes into account the occurrences in the crypto market that has a proven, and increasing, correlation with the Bitcoin price action, a dominant cryptocurrency that exerts a profound impact on the altcoin market, including that of Binance Coin. To summarize, the KX displays how fearful are the market participants of the price of Binance Coin dropping significantly over the last 30 days, which is synonymous with expected negative volatility. The green KX, 1 to 20 value, on the other hand, means that the participants expect the market to remain calm and predictable over the said period of time. Yellow KX, 21 to 50, is a moderate value, meaning that traders are to expect some swings to the upside or the downside but without any disruptive changes of the overall trend structure. Right now, the KX with regard to the Binance Coin price stands at 30, which is a moderate value. The expected volatility for the next 10 to 20 days is at its modest values, thus, the price fluctuations would be insignificant. For a comprehensive Binance Coin price analysis, let's take a look at the price action on the monthly chart first to determine the key levels of support and resistance that the price is going to interact with on its presumed path to the all-time high. Our Binance Coin price prediction algorithm takes account of not only the reading of the KX but also the all-encompassing data of historical price behavior, fundamental characteristics of the coin and the prospects of project's future development, the emerging candlestick patterns, as well as the signals coming from both leading and lagging indicators that also afford us an opportunity to foresee the measure of volatility and predict the following price action.